Bitch want party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for not posting for like 2 weeks. I've been trying to get everything done so I can graduate. But for today's look, we're gonna take this black out of a Morphe palette. I didn't show the Morphe palette right away, but I will show it in a few. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this black and then blend it all across my lid. Also, I forgot to say, the brushes that I'm using are all from my base boxycharm. I didn't film a video on it, so I did, but I didn't like how it came out. But yeah, here's that black coffee. And I don't know what this palette is called. I got it out of a boxycharm. Okay, so now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just blend out the edges, make them look all nice and smooth, and blend them up towards my brow, but not too close to my brow. Okay, next we're going to take this red from the James Charles palette and just put that on the outer area where the black is towards the brow, and then just blend those two together. Basically trying to make the red like a dark red. You'll see. Okay, so as you see, once I blend out the red with the black, it basically gives the red like a black tint, if that makes sense. And then now I'm going to just cut my crease, and the concealer I use is the Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm just going to look down so that way I can get that up to my crease, and I'm going to slowly carve it out just so I can see where I want to place that exactly. Once you got your concealer your cut crease how you would like it, just take a brush and just pack it on and blend it out. Now I'm going to take the same red from James Charles palette and just pack that basically all over this lid. But as I was doing this, when I got closer to my inner eye where the cut crease starts, I actually like not doing the full shade. You guys see what I mean, but as I was doing it, I noticed that I liked it having a little peak of the concealer. Okay, then right here, I'm just taking some black to blend out that red to make it more of a darker red to blend in with the black. Now I'm going to take this glitter primer and then just put that on top of the red cut crease. I was going to do the whole cut crease, but then I changed my mind. Okay, so next I'm going to take this glitter. It actually doesn't say red glitter on it. It says something else, I forgot. But the one that said red looked at pink to me. But I'm going to just take this and put it that where I had put the glitter primer at. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same primer, the glitter primer, and then just carve out like a liner. That's where I wanted to put the black glitter at, which I think this is also a nice idea because you get to see where or how high you want your liner to be without actually messing up the look, since this does dry clear. Okay, so next I'm taking this black glitter from NYX, which also the red one is from NYX as well. I'm not sure if I said it's from NYX from the red one, but I'm going to take this and apply it where I basically want my liner glitter to be. Now I'm just taking the leftover glitter with the primer on the brush and just put it basically on the outer part where the black is to give it a little sparkle. And then after that, I basically just did the black and the red under my eye with a little glitter black liner. And then just popped on some lashes. And yeah, that's the finished look.